Healthcare is changing every day, and that has been one of the hardest things about working in healthcare.
We looked around a lot in 2010 at other products that were out there, and Medflow seemed to be the best product that was able to encompass everything that we needed it to do.
There was not another vendor out there that understood what we do clinically as well as Medflow does.
They started out as being one of many different EMR companies. However, they have rapidly emerged as the EMR company. And it's easy to understand why when you actually get a hands-on feel for the Medflow system.
Going on to Medflow and being electronic was amazing for us because we were able to improve our efficiency on a very large scale.
We are tracking our patient times all the way through our clinic using the Medflow product, so that has allowed us to make sure our technicians as well as our physicians are remaining efficient.
It's the central brain of our office, and we have found it to be indispensable in running our practice. I find it very, very easy to use.
It's color-coded. You know when your left eye is your right eye, and the different screens that you go to, the tabs, the transition just to get from one tab to another is great.
The patients like the technology.
I can show them what their visual field looks like and I can line them up. They love that.
That's a huge thing to be able to do. And I wouldn't have imagined that a computer system would have done that, but Medflow seems to achieve that.
What has been so helpful about being a client at Medflow is the personal connection that I've made with our strategic account manager. She's personally invested in the success of our clinic, and that's very obvious.
Their support staff is always available when I call. Most of them know me by name, and I know them by name, and that's very helpful.
I really feel that this is a responsive team. I feel that they really do care. We're not just a number. When I'm having a problem, they feel bad.
For meaningful use, we've been audited every single year, and Medflow has always been right there to hold our hands. Every single audit we've passed, and I really, really thank Medflow for doing that. I don't know if we could do it without them.
Medflow is truly about the client. You can go buy a system, but you need to have support, and it needs to work after you buy it, and you have that support with Medflow. And the product is only getting better.
Very impressed at a company that went back to the drawing board and they built an entirely new Medflow 2.0.
Less clicks, less pages, and you can do what you need to do as far as the patient's chart and get out.
The coming iterations will be only better and will help us see not only more patients, but give patients that quality of care that they deserve and that we want to give them.
My patient care is dependent on a good, solid product. And Medflow, I think, understands my practice, understands the field, and I really think very highly of them.
This is our livelihood. This is what we do. We're going to be in this for a long time. And so you really want to be with someone who's going to be with you.